Welcome to this honest review of HairMax, the leading brand in laser hair therapy devices. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using HairMax products and share my personal experience with their effectiveness. If you're struggling with hair loss or thinning, you've probably heard of HairMax. I've been using their products for a while now, and I'm here to tell you what I think. The HairMax laser therapy devices are designed to stimulate hair follicles, encourage regrowth, and improve overall hair health. These products use low-level laser therapy, LLT, to enhance blood flow and promote the regeneration of hair follicles. When I first got my hands on the device, I was skeptical. Can a laser comb really make a difference in hair growth? After weeks of consistent use, I noticed small, but significant changes in my hair's thickness and overall health. However, it's not an instant fix. The results are gradual and require patience. But what I really appreciate about HairMax is that it's non-invasive and drug-free. If you're not keen on using medication, this could be a good alternative. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the cons. One downside to HairMax products is the price. They can be quite expensive, especially when compared to other hair loss treatments. Another thing to keep in mind is that the results vary depending on the individual. While I noticed improvements, others may not have the same experience. It's essential to manage your expectations. Despite the drawbacks, I think HairMax is worth considering for anyone serious about combating hair loss. Whether you're dealing with genetic hair thinning or just want to maintain your hair, this device can play a significant role in your hair care routine. So, is HairMax the ultimate solution to hair loss? I wouldn't say it's a miracle cure, but it definitely offers results when used properly. If you're looking for a non-invasive, easy-to-use device to help with hair regrowth, it's worth a try. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on hair care. Let me know in the comments if you've used HairMax or have any other hair loss solutions you'd like me to review.